Greetings, beautiful magical souls. Welcome to day 6 of our Witchy challenge. Today, we're igniting the flame of self-love with a simple yet powerful candle magic ritual. Let's weave some radiant self-love magic. For this ritual, you'll need a pink candle for self-love, a small mirror, a pen, and a piece of paper. If you don't have a pink candle, white works wonderfully too. Remember, it's your intention that truly matters. First, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. As you breathe, feel the energy of self-love beginning to stir within you. Now, take your pen and paper. Write down 3 things you love about yourself. These can be physical attributes, personality traits, or accomplishments. Be kind to yourself, witches. You are magical beyond measure. Next, place the mirror on your altar or working space. Look into it and speak each of these self-love affirmations aloud. As you do, really feel the truth of these words. You are worthy of love, especially your own. Now, it's time to charge our candle. Hold the pink candle in your hands and close your eyes. Visualize a warm, pink light emanating from your heart, flowing down your arms and into the candle. This is your self-love energy. As you place the candle in its holder, say, "With this flame, I ignite self-love divine. Burning bright, this energy is mine. From crown to toe, I am aglow. With love for myself, I continue to grow." Light your candle and gaze into the flame. As it flickers and dances, imagine it burning away any self-doubt or negative self-talk. Feel the warmth of self-love spreading throughout your entire being. Allow the candle to burn for as long as you feel comfortable or until it naturally extinguishes. As it burns, bask in the glow of your own self-love. You are worthy. You are beautiful. You are enough. Remember, magical beings, self-love is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and kind with yourself. This ritual can be repeated whenever you need a boost of self-love energy. Don't forget to share your self-love experiences using the hashtag #WitchyChallenge. Until tomorrow, may your inner light shine bright. Blessed be.